Hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful morning this morning, and today I would like to go over the XRP price chart. So I think, as everybody knows, we actually got a reasonable rally, maybe 5% up. I was watching last night and it just looked really nice. I was checking the price chart, and you always want to say, hey, here it is. This is it. This is the moment. No turning back. Let's go. That's right. Guns blazing to the bull run. And I like that idea, and I think that's great. As far as this price action goes, it's really nice to get a move up, and this move may just continue. I believe that we're just so close to the actual bull run. I mean, if not weeks, like days, weeks, maybe a month or two away maximum, but I really don't see it taking that long. We're kind of just ending our consolidation phase here at this 7-year consolidating triangle, and we're still bouncing around on the end of it. It's gonna take a lot more force than this to break out of this pattern. The thing about XRP is that once it does break out, like, everyone's gonna know it. I mean, I'm not gonna be special coming on here and telling you, hey, look, XRP is going up. Like, once XRP starts to break out of this triangle finally, everyone's gonna know, and it's not gonna be secret information, so at that point, whatever you hold, you're just gonna be holding for the bull run, and you'll get a sizable return on that. And if you add, just be careful for quick pullbacks, but usually actually bull runs are good opportunities to add on moves up. This is not financial advice again, and definitely be careful out there, but this is looking really good. As far as addressing the TVP, so we got this TVP here at 0.512 at about 2:30 on November 5th on Tuesday. So that was before all the election craziness just popped off. Like, right before that, we got a TVP right here, and then as the price started to move up, the price, ever since that TVP level, it just looked low volume, and it was very choppy all the way up. We came up here. I think that probably everyone, including me a little bit, kind of got sucked in last night saying, wow, this is a really substantial move. But then, okay, fine. Last night, if you were up for my time, it was about 8 p.m. We got knocked out at 0.578. Around there, we got knocked out. Formed a really long wick right here, and then just started shuffling down. If this rally would have continued all the way throughout the night and into today, then it could have been ramping up to be that extremely explosive move that actually breaks us out of this consolidative triangle. But as far as right now, we kind of just got wicked out, and then right now it looks like we're about to just start chopping. Usually what happens with the structure like this is we're going to form some type of consolidation here, a type of pennant, and then we're going to get normalized with this level before we either break up or break down. It is so close to the bull run that I have a feeling that we're getting really close to breaking up, and we might leave all these areas behind and just have one of those amazing GOG candles. I know I'm hoping for it. I know that the probability says we're coming back down in the TVP, but there is a small chance that we just explode out of here and we finally get that breakout we were looking for, and then there's nothing else to say. We're all going to be extremely wealthy, right? Great. And then you can say, oh, we never went to the TVP. Yeah, but we all got rich. But let's just say, okay, fine, here we start a consolidation. We're gonna probably consolidate here, something like a pennant. If we roll over out of this pennant, I expect us to come down to the TVP of 0.512. If we break up and we just keep breaking up and we get a little further up, if we go past the 0.578 that we just set as the high point, and we don't just wick it, we like substantially blow through that level, then I would expect this TVP just to be left for the bull run, and then at that point we're gonna have to start talking about other things, and that means that market structure would be changing. As far as this low right here, I told on Friday the 25th at 5 o'clock my time, I told you guys about this level, and I said that this is on clean price action. This looks like a valid bottom. As of now, it still looks like it is potentially a valid bottom, and bull markets sometimes can mess with you, and you can get a washout move down, spike down, but I still don't expect it to run this low necessarily. If we do get a washout move down, I just expect it to at least come down to the TVP of 0.512, and then we would continue up. We'll have to see how this consolidation goes, but we're in a really exciting time. I'm glad we got a move up here. We fit this move perfectly as far as the larger time frame goes. So let's just say, let's go out to the weekly. And as you can see here, we really just fit this green candle. We fit the bottom of this candle right here perfectly in between this candle right here that was formed on the Monday 28th of October. And we really just fit the low of this candle perfectly in there. We wicked down to fill out bottom side liquidity, but we didn't go past that Monday 28 candle. Just perfect. It kind of came up, candle changed over, a little wick down, and then we got our move up, and we kind of just held right here in this position. So that was nice to see, and I expect that if we can finish this candle somewhere at least around 0.53 or even higher, then when we come over, we'll have room to wick down again and then potentially keep moving up to finally break out of this triangle. Is it finally time to break out for XRP? I sure hope so, and I'm sure that everyone's waited so long for this, it's not even going to seem real when it happens. But as of now, we're still in the consolidation period. We're going to have to see alt season really kick off to break out of this structure. It's been a long time. It takes a little bit of time to work out of these types of structures, 7 years in the making. But when we do get a breakout of this triangle, we're all gonna know about it, and it's not gonna be a secret. As of now, we're still in consolidation. If we do roll over, I expect us to come to 0.512, and it's definitely possible. I think everyone's really bullish. If we get a wick down, it'll clear out a lot of leverage, and we'll be able to keep going up. So just be careful out there and have a great day. Thank you.